Magandang hapon. Ngayon po ay December 22, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong December 22, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Monday, December 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, December 22, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for December 22, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, December 22, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.